Hello everyone, welcome to btih. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install the latest leaked Windows 11. First, let's download the Windows 11 ISO file from the links given in the description. Right-click on the ISO file and runs it with Windows Explorer. Click Setup. You will most likely encounter an "this PC can't run Windows 11" error caused by the TPM 2.0 and secure boot requirement. To solve this, first, create a new folder. Name it whatever you want and copy the whole thing into the new folder. Download the folder from the other link given in description. Copy the appraisers.dll file to replace the existing one in the sources folder. Now click on Setup and let it work on its magic. Apparently, if you upgrade your activated Windows 10 to Windows 11, the license will remain activated. You can install it with the USB flash drive to a new hard disk. To make a bootable flash drive with Rufus, check this video out for the simple step-by-step guides. If you're gonna install Windows 11 in a new hard drive, I will show you a download link to download the activator in the description below. Thanks for watching, please subscribe so you'll get notified for the next video.